So again, hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Parth, and we have a new machine, 100 machine challenge, and we have a new machine is a penetration testing machine, which is available on vulnhub.com. Basic penetration testing. So this is Ubuntu server LTS and 16 LTS. And we have the our Kali Linux, which is best for the exploiting the machines. And here is our vulnerable machine IP is 108, and we have the rush to scan using a rush scan for the scanning the network, which is network in the network, which is in the network like we have our ports 21, 22, and port 80 is here, which is a FTP, SSH, and HTTP port is here. So we first trying to the port 80 running on the server. So here we scanning again with using the nmap for the finding some informations, which is nmap is a 192.168.0.108 is here. So taking the most time for the scanning network. Oh wow. So here is the port 8021, port 802122 is here FTP. So here is the pro FTPD is like there is a version is old versions. So we check with using a search exploit. Clear this, and sorry about these notifications. Search exploit and searching some exploit for this. Here is the two exploit, which is a compromise source backdoor and backdoor command execution, which is in the metasploitable. Okay, so we trying the MSF console here, opening MSF console. There is a take time. Waiting for the opening this MSF console. Okay, so here is MSF console is ready to go. We use the search command where with using pro FTP here. Hit enter, finding the payloads which we can target the machine. We use the backdoor payload, which is here is a 133C backdoor. So we use the 17. Okay, which is we use the 17 use 17, and we have it backdoor, and we type the option, and here is the option is a C host, C port, R port, R host. Okay, so we have the R host is our set R host, which is our vulnerable machine, is our R host. Copy this and paste it over here. Okay. So there is some mistakes is here, which is I have set the R host, but typing something else here. Okay, R host is here. Show the payloads, and here or here is the payloads. We use the reverse shell payload, which we use for the our command. We use the payload for the our machine, which is a CMD. Copy this, and here we set the payload, which is a CMD reverse. Here is payload set. Tap the option, and here is the L host is here, R host is set. Payload is set by us, and that is our last option is the L host, setting the L host, which is our Linux IP address. Copy over here, copy, paste it over here, which is okay. So all are done, and exploit this. Exploit this, and starting the backdoor command on the machine, which is on the port 444. And who am I? Oh wow, we rooted this. Okay, ls cd/root directory, ls. Okay, so we first trying to python 3-c import spawn bin/bash over here, close it, and we have the okay. So opening the shadow file, which is store the passwords, and here is the some clues over here, which is in the hash format. Copy this first, all the things, and paste it over here our notepad, in our notepad. useful for remaining into our mind. We're trying to crack these passwords with using the John the Ripper. Which is we get, which is 5 is a hash 1, enter, paste it over here, here. Okay, so now we use the Sean and hash 1 file input. Session was completed. Okay, so there is a same as the password, which is both password are same. This name is the password. Okay, so we go to the machine and paste it over here. MAR LIN SP 5K and hit enter. And we are in the machine. Open the terminal. Over here is the Marlin. Who am I? Marlin 5 sudo su and typing this password. Okay, cancel it. And we are rooted. We are rooted. So finding some files and cd/root, there is ls. There is no flags are here. So we are rooted for this machine and we access all the files. So we are root. So this is all set. And this is all about these machines, and these machines are must be easy for me. And there is a starting penetration testing is starting penetration testing is easy for this. And there you have it, all done. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.